Ganoderma Lucidum is a medicinal mushroom, also known as reishi or lingzhi. It is a fungus that grows in various hot and humid locations in Asia and is known to promote longevity. In traditional Chinese medicine, it is one of the superior tonics that was reserved for emperors and was regarded as the Elixir of Life. Many of the benefits of Ganoderma lucidum are attributed to a group of compounds called ganoderic acids, which have a similar structure to steroid hormones. Ganoderma is also rich in beta-glucans, which improve cholesterol and glucose levels. While the mushrooms themselves can be eaten fresh, it is common to use powdered or other extract forms of the mushroom. In today's video, we'll explore 6 health benefits of the royal medicinal mushroom and its possible side effects. I'll also share a bonus tip at the end with a powerful Ganoderma formula that can boost your energy levels as well as your immunity. Stay tuned. Hello and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to achieve an optimal state of health within your mind and body with a little help from Mother Nature, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss any future uploads. 1. It boosts the immune system. One of the most important effects of Ganoderma or reishi mushroom is that it can boost your health and vitality, as it impacts white blood cells and the immune function. Test tube studies have shown that it can affect the genes in white blood cells, which are crucial parts of our immune system. Another study has seen an increase in the number of lymphocytes in those with colorectal cancer. Ganoderma also boosts the activity of a type of white blood cell called natural killer cells. Natural killer cells are known to fight infections and cancer in the body. Although studies have observed most immune-boosting benefits in those fighting an illness, some suggest that it may help healthy people too. One study has found Ganoderma to improve lymphocyte function in athletes exposed to stressful conditions. 2. It has anti-cancer properties. As mentioned earlier, the increased white blood cell activity has cancer-fighting effects, hence improving the quality of life in cancer patients. A number of lab studies have investigated its ability to stimulate the immune response, particularly with regards to treating cancer. Ganoderma has been researched for its role in preventing and fighting colorectal cancer. This mushroom has shown to kill tumor cells and decrease the number and size of tumors in the large intestine after 1 year of treatment. This is due to boosting the activity of immune cells such as natural killer cells, T cells, B cells, tumor necrosis factor, and phagocytes. However, it is advised to administer Ganoderma in combination with traditional treatment rather than replacing it. 3. It can help fight depression and fatigue. Some studies have shown that Ganoderma could decrease anxiety and depression in those with certain health conditions, including an increased sense of well-being. One study examined its effects on 132 people with neurasthenia, a condition associated with mental and physical fatigue. Common symptoms include muscle aches, dizziness, headaches, inability to relax, irritability, and sleep disturbance. Results revealed that fatigue was reduced and well-being improved after 8 weeks of taking the mushroom extract. Another study found similar results where reduced fatigue was observed in 48 breast cancer survivors after 4 weeks of taking a powder extract. The participants also experienced less anxiety and depression. 4. It lowers blood sugar levels in diabetes. The beta-glucans found in Ganoderma are believed to aid in the management of diabetes. A 12-week study involving 71 type 2 diabetic patients concluded that taking 1,800 mg of Ganoderma extract significantly reduced blood glucose and HbA1c levels compared to a placebo group. Other studies have indicated that it can decrease blood sugar levels in animals. However, other researchers have not supported this benefit, as mixed results were seen for blood sugar levels after meals. Therefore, further research is needed to validate its efficacy on blood sugar-related conditions. Taking Ganoderma, along with diabetes medications, might cause your blood sugar to drop too low. So make sure to speak to your healthcare practitioner to adjust the dose of your medication and monitor your blood sugar closely. 5. It fights viral and bacterial infections. Ganoderma has potent antiviral and antibacterial properties that can help protect the body from deadly microorganisms. Because it stimulates phagocytosis and T-cell activity, it has been widely used for a variety of infectious diseases such as bronchitis and hepatitis. Certain components found in Ganoderma bind directly to the virus, interfering with the process in which it hijacks healthy cells. The medicinal mushroom also inhibits infections such as cold sores and genital herpes. When it comes to natural therapies, it is considered the most effective against herpes if administered prior to the development of the infection. Ganoderma reduces pain in patients who had already developed shingles and shows a response in the treatment of herpes zoster virus. The extract also targets influenza viruses. This is because it is rich in elements like zinc and selenium, which are essential for preventing viral infections. It also fights hepatitis B while protecting the liver against damage caused by the virus. In addition, studies have shown that it can potentially inhibit the Epstein-Barr virus that causes mononucleosis syndrome. Some lab studies demonstrate that active compounds in the mushroom also inhibit HIV enzymes called proteases. This effect acts similarly to that of some of the most successful HIV drugs on the market. There are several studies demonstrating that Ganoderma can neutralize bacteria like Staphylococcus aureus and E. coli. But because these were test tube studies, further research is needed to confirm its effects on humans. 6. It relieves high-altitude sickness. The therapeutic properties associated with this fungus inhibits the effects of several pathophysiological conditions, including acute mountain sickness, or AMS for short. The syndrome is characterized by symptoms such as headache, nausea, shortness of breath, fatigue, dizziness, and insomnia, and is often experienced by individuals at high altitudes. Although the pathophysiology of AMS is not well established yet, the bioactive compounds in Ganoderma support its potential ability for alleviating hypobaric hypoxia and its associated pathophysiological conditions. Possible side effects. Ganoderma is usually well tolerated with few significant side effects. However, it should be avoided if you suffer from certain health conditions. Because it contains a substance that may act like a blood thinner, it can potentially trigger bloody stools, nosebleeds, and easy bruising. So it is not recommended for people with bleeding disorders or liver disease. It should also be avoided if you're taking anticoagulants like warfarin or are due to have surgery, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. You should also avoid Ganoderma if you're taking antihypertensive medications, as it may cause your blood pressure to drop too low and trigger dizziness, fatigue, nausea, and blurry vision. It is currently not recommended for children, pregnant women, and breastfeeding mothers. Bonus tip: Ganoderma coffee. Ganoderma coffee provides all the benefits of coffee, plus the therapeutic properties of mushrooms, contributing to anything from greater energy to liver support. Compared to regular coffee, it is lower in caffeine and high in nutrients. Ganoderma coffee is a powder drink mix that typically contains instant coffee and the powdered extract of Ganoderma Lucidum. Other ingredients such as sugar, non-dairy creamer, and herbs may also be included. These will vary from one manufacturer to another. Ganoderma coffee is considered safe when consumed in moderate doses. Because it contains around half of the caffeine of a regular cup of coffee, it is unlikely to cause insomnia. In fact, it has been shown to aid sleep and increases your body's resistance to stress. Another benefit is that it is less acidic than coffee on its own, making it ideal for those with digestive ailments like stomach ulcers or IBS. Rich in vitamin C, calcium, iron, phosphorus, and potassium, Ganoderma provides lasting energy and enhances your body's natural defenses. The mushroom extract delivers large doses of glutathione, also known as the master antioxidant, which promotes longevity and slows aging. Glutathione cleanses the liver and kidneys while improving their ability to flush out toxins. Low glutathione levels are normally associated with health conditions such as chronic fatigue and immune disorders. Despite the health benefits of Ganoderma coffee, this beverage should not be consumed if you're sensitive to stimulants. Since this drink stimulates an immune response, it is not recommended for those with an overactive immune system. Are you a health nut? Join the Health Nut Hour today, subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, and I'll keep you updated on future videos. See you in the next one.